guys, welcome back. It's Friday, April 10th. We have one single element for your workout today. It's a bigger one. It is a fight gone bad style workout for you to perform at home. So what that means is we have 3 rounds for max repetitions. We will be performing movements in 1-minute stages. The first movement is a thruster. The second movement, a Sumo deadlift high pull. Third movement, a box jump, or if you do not have a box, you can perform broad jumps instead. The fourth movement will be a push press. The fifth movement will be a burpee, and you will have a rest station of 1 minute in between each round. So, you will do 1 minute of each movement and 1 minute of rest, 3 rounds through. Good luck. Let us know how you did.